Collaborating with multiple teams on a project brings many challenges where files are shared using various methods, resulting in logistical issues and general confusion. The solution is Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro's design collaboration, organizing teams onto one platform where data is shared by teams, creating packages of data that are shared to a central location, and the target teams exploring the data and consuming it if approved. In this example, the civil team published the finished surface to the BIM Collaborate Pro civil data location. They can then browse their data in design collaboration and select the relevant information they wish to share, giving them complete control over what is shared to the other teams. This package will then appear in the project timeline. The architectural team will see the new data package from the civil team appear in the project timeline. They can explore the data without committing to accepting it. If the decision is made to accept it, they can consume the data, which is then transferred to their team data structures. The architectural team can then utilize the consumed civil data as they progress the design of the building envelope. As with the civil team, the architectural team will create their own package of data that they wish to share with the other project teams. The structural team, having identified and then consumed the architectural data, can connect to their own consumed folder and access the approved architectural data. They can then start the process of building out the structural scheme. Once the structural team are in a position to share their data, they will create a package of data by again browsing the available data in design collaboration, selecting the specific items they wish to share, and publishing it to the access-controlled central shared location. The plant team identify the structural package on the project timeline and proceed to explore and consume the data back to their own team's data structures. The plant team will then utilize both the architectural and structural data during their design process. As the project progresses, the P&ID data will have been produced, and the pipe modelers within the plant team will make use of that data, as well as the structural and architectural data to guide their designs. Once the plant team are ready to share their data, which may include model as well as documentation information, they will also create their packages of data as appropriate to share back to the project team. A project reviewer will aggregate the project model data and identify design concerns. These need to be efficiently communicated to the relevant team and progress tracked. Any issues are raised by highlighting the location of the problem visually and then by adding the detail of the issue and assigning it to an individual for review and subsequent resolution. Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro's design collaboration vastly improves project-wide collaboration, providing for efficient, controlled data sharing and model aggregation within a rich visual environment.